students, the next one is circle statement. What is circle statement within the program? Line is added using line statement, but when you want to insert a circular shape, line will not work. Definitely, it will be done by circle statement. Circle command is used to draw circle or ellipse of various sizes and colors. Okay, students. The syntax of the circle command is as follows: circle, then you have to specify axis y and axis x and axis y. Then r is the radius of the circle, r means radius of the circle, and color number is the border color of circle, means whatever border color you want to specify, you can specify in color number. Example, CLS screen 12 mode you have used here. Circle, x axis is 320 and y axis is 200, then radius is 80 and color number is 4. And so this is how you can draw a color, you can draw a colorful circle within the program. Okay, now paint statement. You have just drawn a circle using circle statement, but it is hollow shape, means whatever a circle you have drawn, that is a hollow, it has no color. But if you want to specify color, you can specify using paint statement. Okay, you can fill area of your drawn circle or any other shape with color using paint command. Paint statement fills the closed areas on the screen with a specified color. Syntax of paint command is as follows: paint x, y, color number. Example, CLS screen 12, you have used screen 12 mode. Circle 320 x axis and 200 is y axis, then 80 is the radius, 4 is the color number, border number. And paint command you have used x, y, 320, 200, and color number is 4. And you can see the output present here. Now the circle has been drawn to red, means you can see the red circle. You have filled the color red within the circle. Okay, now draw statement. What is draw statement? There are many shapes in the world. You only learn how to draw and paint a circle, but you can also draw any shape using draw statement. Means if you want to draw any random kind of shape, any random kind of shape, you have to use draw statement. Draw statement is used to draw line, shapes and fill color. The syntax of the draw command is as follows, like this: draw CN, DN, RN, UN, LN. CN means color number, DN is the value to move downward, RN is the value to move right, UN is the value to move up, LN is the value to move left. So these are the various specifications of directions how you want to create a shape, random shape. Drawing boxes statement. Suppose we have to make a house shape, so it can be drawn with the help of few basic programmers. Example, CLS screen 1, draw E50, F50, L100, draw D50, R100, U50, and you can see the output. You have drawn a shape like this. Okay, so if you will properly follow the commands, you can definitely draw a particular graphic. Then sound statement. Not only shape and sound, but you can also add sound effect to your program using sound statement. Means if you want to add a particular sound effect in your program, you can use sound statement. Sound statement is used to play a sound frequency, okay, for a specified duration. Frequency can be set 37 to 32767 and duration can be set 0 to 65535. Only one sound can be played at a time. If multiple sound statements is to be used sequentially, every statement after the first will not executed until after the previous one finished. Means if you want to have multiple sound, then when first sound will be finished, then second sound will be started. The syntax of the sound command is as follows, like this: sound XY. Example, dim x as integer. So dim statement dim command is used to declare a variable. For loop x 37 to 1000, sound x, 1, next x. In our program we have X as frequency will start from 37 and goes up to 1000. This will produce a sound for a given frequency 37 to 32767 for duration 1. This is how you can apply sound